Alright guys, hey, what's up guys? This is a continuation to the last motovlog. Just got back from the tech panels and the hiring fair. It was alright. Got a lot of good information, gave out my resumes to a couple of companies. Make sure my bag's closed. Okay, should be good. Should be good. No, we are not good. We're not good. Alright guys, we're back. Just got back from the hiring fair and the tech panel. Got a bunch of good information from some company owners, CEOs, recruiting managers, analysts, and I gave a couple of them a resume. So we should be good. We should be good. Hopefully the bike's warmed up enough. It stalled out on me once already, but now we can go.
Alright guys, and before we continue on with today's video, I wanted to ask you guys to please hit the subscribe button down below. It really means a lot, helps out the channel, and it's completely free. We are trying to get to 1K as soon as possible, and with your guys' help, that can be done within the month or by the end of March, and I really appreciate you guys for that. So if you guys could, again, please hit the subscribe button down below. It's completely free, and hit the bell notification if you guys want to stay up to date with my current videos. I'm going to be posting YouTube shorts daily and 2 long form videos a week, and yeah, that's gonna be it for me for now, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya. It was honestly quite fun coming back to the university after a long time. I couldn't really do much at the hiring fair because it was packed, so I only went to like 2 companies
Because I need to get back home soon.
So it is what it is. I made notes of the entire tech panel that was happening, so I know who the CEOs were, who's who, who's what in what company, and they gave incredible advice. I really appreciate that. If they ever watch this video, they probably won't, but if they ever do, I appreciate all the information that they gave me. I'm gonna get home later tonight, touch up my LinkedIn profile, connect with them, and see what goes on from there. One of the companies wasn't having a booth in the career fair, but they had a sign up saying they were hiring, so I'm gonna see what I can do with that. Man, it feels good. Feels good to be out and about on the bike after a long time, man. Holy snap, snap a crackle pop. It feels good, man. Oh lord. Yeah, they gave tons of information. It was great, and I'm going to use that and I'm going to apply that once I get home from applications. But yeah, the main thing that's been an issue for me is that I never did a co-op or an internship while I was in university. I needed steady employment, so I was working my accounting job, which I currently have. So I built up experience, but in the wrong field. But one of the a panelist, who's an IT manager from Amazon, really had a good message. Like, no knowledge is bad knowledge. Learn as much as you can about anything and everything, and it'll come in handy one day. And another one said, even if you worked in a completely different field, those soft skills that you learn are things that recruiters and hiring teams look out for. So even though I have experience in corporate finance, in accounts receivable, I can still use some of that and sell it as experience. I can use it as experience on my resume and during interviews, which is really beneficial to know. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Birds don't hit me. I did say in the last post I was going to get gassed, but I honestly don't think I will. I should just head on home. I'll grab gas on my next ride. Probably tomorrow. Really wish I could have done more there, but I'm on a time crunch. So, just gotta make do with what I got, you know? There were CEOs there. That's a really big, helpful thing. I have something I can implement. I really feel like the tire pressure on the bike right now is super low. Yeah. I needed to fill it up last night. I couldn't find the air pump that we have, so I had to just make do with what I have. So I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm just so, I don't know. I just came back from the university after the first time, like that was like the first time I was in the university in that environment in like over 3 years. Really felt different, but it felt like, hey, I was back in school. I'll see if you guys can see. Cause we're still rocking the Diablos. This is a good time to use those. Good time to use the Diablos, man. If you guys want to pick up a pair for yourself, go to ravenmo.co. Use code motovlog for 10% off your purchase. You guys get 10% off your purchase. I get a 10% kickback, a commission from the sale. Helps out the channel, and you guys get a sweet discount on some awesome merch and riding gear. Yeah, this video is a short one. It's just a ride going back home from the university. But hey, I drove through town, which I was during rush hour, I'd say. Would this be considered the rush hour? It's in traffic, which I haven't done in a long time. So it's a good experience. I mean, it gives me confidence that I can actually commute on the bike properly. So, hey, there's another bike. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video here. It was a bit short, like maybe like 5 minutes or like 3. I don't know how long it took me to get home. But yeah, that was my experience so far. Going back to university, going from the job fair. Next little bit, I have a lot of work ahead of me. I have a lot of work ahead of me, man. Anyways, there we go, guys. I'm back. One piece from university on the bike during traffic during the day. Feels good, man. It feels good to be back on the bike. It feels good to be able to ride. I say back on the bike like I haven't been riding, but it's been better to ride in this weather than in the cold weather. It's the first warm day in a while. So, feels good, man. Look at the Marauder in all beauty. I swear I'm burning through that with my shoes, man. Dear Lord. Oh shit, this should not be there. Anyways, want to end the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Probably I'm gonna be filming in like 2 days. I can't really ride tomorrow because of work, but I'm talking with another motovlogger, rider, creator on Instagram that I have been buddies with for a long time, and we haven't really met up yet, but we might be collabing this weekend. It's really exciting. If not this weekend, we'll do it soon, but it is what it is. Alright guys, I'm gonna catch you guys in a bit. Hopefully you guys enjoy this, and please hit the like, comment, and share, and subscribe. We are almost at 1K. I really appreciate you guys for all your continuous support, and I want to catch you guys in the next one. Adios, ciao, bye bye. I'll see you tomorrow. Alright, see ya.